For the past 20 years, we've dedicated ourselves to perfecting your cycling vacation of a lifetime. We're bringing that same magic, expertise, hospitality, and commitment to elevating every aspect of your vacation to our new adventure, hiking and walking tours. Our hiking and walking tours are packed with everything that makes trek travel great. The best guides, luxury accommodations, expert itineraries, unmatched flexibility, and the support from the moment you book to well after you depart. We invite you to join us on our new adventures as we continue to go the extra mile to give you more ways to actively see the world. Known for its cliffside villages, Cinque Terre is an amazing destination where you can discover the vibrant colors of Italy's Ligurian coast, where hiking trails weave through lemon groves and vineyards, leading you to the freshest Mediterranean cuisine. Get off the beaten path and venture to Scotland, where the adventure starts in Edinburgh's hidden trails, leading to the coastal beauty of St. Andrews and the wild Cairngorms National Park. From castle exploration to whiskey tastings, immerse yourself in Scotland's rugged landscapes. In Ireland, discover the breathtaking cliffs of Moher, climb Mount Brandon in the Dingle Peninsula, and soak in the rugged vistas of the Atlantic coast. Experience the warmth of Dingle with its traditional music and hearty meals. Experience a new side of Portugal as you hike the rugged coast of Rota Vicentina to the vibrant town of Lagos. Savor the rich flavors of Alentejo wines and immerse yourself in the local culture. We're excited to share a new way to see the world. Let's step into adventure together.